everybody. Now I am going to say regarding this topic, that is formulas of the both ungrouped data and the grouped data. In the previous video, we have discussed all the ungrouped data, mean, median, mode, and grouped data, mean, median, mode with examples. Now let's discuss all the formulas of ungrouped data and grouped data. First, we will discuss of ungrouped data. Ungrouped data formulas. First, mean. Sum of all observations by total number of observations. Sum of all observations. That is, all observations by total number of observations. Total number of observations. Sum of all observations by total number of observations is called mean. Now next, mode. Mode, the frequently occurring number. The most frequently occurring number. That is, which occurs at the most number of times. Most frequent occurring number is called as mode. Frequently means more times. Most frequently occurring times. Occurring number. The number which occurs more times in the given data in the raw data. As ungrouped data is raw data. The number which is repeated more number of times in the given ungrouped data, that number will take as mode. Most frequently occurring number. Median. Median in the ungrouped data, it is of two cases. Even case. First one, let's discuss even case and odd case. We'll discuss even case. Even case formula. We have to do the average of two numbers. That is average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. Average. Average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. Here n is the number of observations. N by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. We have to do the average. Then we will get a number. That observation. That is the number. The number which occurs in the data, that observation we have to take. Not that the number. That is in the median even case. If the exact number is not there, after that succeeding number we have to take. Every time succeeding number only we have to take if the exact number is not there. Next, odd case. N plus 1 by 2 observation. N plus 1 by 2 with observation. That is n number of observations. We get the value that observation we have to take. In the raw data there is correct observation for the odd, but even it may not be or may be. These are about the ungrouped data formulas, mean, mode, median. Now let's discuss about the grouped data formulas. In the grouped data also we will discuss mean, mode, median. The three sub concepts. Grouped data. Grouped data formulas we will see now. Mean. First, mean. Mean is divided into three types in the grouped data. That is direct method. First one direct method, second one assumed mean method, third one step deviation method. First one direct method. Direct. Summation of fi into xi by summation of fi. This is the formula for the mean. In the direct method, summation of fi into xi. Fi, total number of frequencies. Xi, total number of class marks. That are we have to find upper limit plus lower limit by 2. It is xi. Direct method. Assumed mean method. Assumed. Whereas we have to assume the number a plus summation fi di by summation fi into h a plus summation fi di by summation of fi into h is class size and di fi a we have to assume the number and assume the mean method. di is xi minus a. di is equals to xi minus a. Step deviation. Step deviation. A plus summation of fi into ui by summation of fi into h. This is the formula for the step deviation, where ui is equals to di by h. When we are doing in the step deviation, we have to write the table as class intervals. That is question first part. Class intervals, frequencies and xi. For every method, for every question we have to do the xi. Next di. We have to assume the value in the xi column, that is exact middle term. Next we have to find the di. xi minus a. After finding the di, ui we have to find. ui di by h. h is class size. These are the formulas of the mean group data. Direct method, assume mean method, step deviation method formulas. Now mode. Group data mode. The formula for the group data mode now will list. In the videos I have said with the examples, these are only formulas here. Mode. Group data mode. L plus L is the lower boundary of the class. L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. This is the formula for the mode in the group data. Here L is lower boundary, h class size. These are the three types of frequencies. Group data mode, only two columns that is existing in the question. No any other column will be added in the mode of the group data. Now medium. Group data medium. L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency by f frequency into h. Here we are not taking fi. All the frequencies we cannot take summation. Only f. That is, we'll draw the line exactly middle term. If middle term is not there, succeeding number or preceding number, anything you can take, we'll draw the line. Cumulative frequency and table here. The frequency, which is touching to the line. The line above frequency will take as f. Not all the frequencies. And CF is above the term. These are the class. These are the cumulative frequency. There will be numbers. 4 numbers. Think here we have drawn the line. So this number, the up number will be cumulative frequency we have to take. And h is class size and the L is lower boundary. Where we have drawn the line, there will be upper limit and lower limit. Or lower boundary will be this, lower boundary. The first one, 35 to 40. Example, the lower boundary is 35. Yeah, next one, H is class size and N is the number of observations. That is, last cumulative frequency we have to take as N. Those are number of observations and by 2. This is about the median formula. And hence, in this video, we have seen about the ungrouped data formulas and the grouped data formulas. Ungrouped mean median mode and grouped data mean median mode. So, thank you.